Hi everyone, it's Bernice from Bernice's Reviews, here to give my review on this absolutely wonderful mini torch lighters. It comes in a dual pack, which is so nice, nicely packaged, very nice to give as a gift. It comes with a warranty card as well. This is such a nicely packaged item. I love the case. I'd like to keep things put away and stored nicely, and this will store so nicely. And when you pull it out when you're needed, when you're camping, when you're cooking on the grill, and you want to light the flames, this is ideal. It is your go-to. And because it's a dual pack, you'll have no problems with lighting all the things that you need to light. Let me demonstrate just how nice it looks. There you have it. You can see why it's called a mini torch. It is a long flame and it is so nice. I am so happy with this. It really does go in and do what it says it does. So I'm going to demonstrate just how nice it will light this candle. Wow. I really like this. I'm going to be making a lot of use. I'm going to have a lot of use with this item. I love camping. I love cooking on the grill. And now I have the tool that I will use consistently when I'm doing any lighting needs. Anytime that I'm in need of a light, this mini torch is my go-to. I am so happy that I have this and that the brand owner sent this over for my honest review, and I give this item a 2 thumbs up. If you are looking for something that's going to service your needs of when you're lighting your grill or lighting, needing to go camping and you're going to need to light the flames, this mini torch is ideal. Thank you for watching.